So, in our previous lectures, we discussed about the ideal gas equation. What was ideal gas equation? Which obeys all the gas laws, means for which PV will become equal to nRT, right? T is temperature in Kelvin scale, R is gas constant, N is number of moles, V is volume of the container which occupies gas, and P is the pressure exerted by the gas on the walls of container. So for this ideal gas equation, we have considered here the forces of attractions or repulsions, means forces of interactions in the gaseous molecules are negligible. Even we also considered here that the volume occupied by the individual molecule is also neglected. That's why we have taken here the V as the volume of the container. Means we have considered that the gaseous molecules will occupy all of the volume, right, of the container. So that's why if in numericals you have provided that a flask of 2 liter, right, is provided there, then we consider there that that is ideal gas, so volume of the gas will also be equal to 2 liters, right? Because there we have considered that the volume occupied by the individual molecules is also neglected, right? And second one was forces of interactions of the gaseous molecules were negligible, right? Now what happened if we consider here the forces of interactions that applied between the molecules, right? For that, van der Waal gives an equation that is named as van der Waals equation for the real behavior or for real gases. Because we can't neglect the presence of individual molecule. We can't neglect the forces of repulsions or attractions that act between the molecules, right? If we consider that type of forces or the volume occupied by the individual molecules in the four directions, then that is named as a real gas, right? For which PV will not be equal to nRT. We have already discussed in our previous lecture. So what is van der Waals equation? Van der Waals equation was P, pressure exerted on the walls of container, plus a corrected term An square upon V square, right? Multiplied by, that is volume of the container, but that was corrected with a term that is NB is equal to, that remains same, nRT at constant temperature. If we keep here the temperature constant, R is a gas constant, N is a number of moles, then pressure and volume will be affected here, right? Pressure exerted by the gaseous molecules on the walls of container will be the actual pressure will be P plus An square upon V square. I tell you here what is A, that is van der Waals constant, right? N is number of moles, V is the volume, and here the V is the volume of the flask, volume of the container in which you have kept your gas, minus N is number of moles, B is the van der Waals constant again, equal to N is number of moles, R is gas constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin scale, right? So first of all, we'll discuss one by one. So first of all, we'll discuss this term, that is correction in pressure term. How the pressure was corrected, right? Now for an ideal gas, for example, I'm taking here a container, enclosed container, and a gas is enclosed in this container, right? So for these gaseous molecules, we have considered that for ideal gases, that these molecules strike on the walls of the container, and that was named as capital P, means pressure exerted on the walls of the container. That was the pressure exerted on the walls of the container, okay, or flask. But we know very well, if we can't neglect the forces of interaction between the molecules, then here are some other molecules are also present. And due to these attractions, if a molecule is going to strike on the walls of container, the other molecules will attract these molecules toward itself. There will be some what inward pull. There will be somewhat inward pull of the molecule that is going to strike on the wall of the container, on the wall of the container. Now ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ मैं एक सिंपल जी एग्जांपल ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਵੈਸੇ ਤਾਂ ਬੜੀ ਹਾਸੋਹੀਣੀ एग्जांपल है। ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਬੇਟਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ठीक है, और एक बंदा कंध दे नाल टक्करा मार रहा है, तो वो की करेगा, अगर कोई आसे पासे नहीं होएगा तो की करेगा, फुल प्रैशर नाल कंध नाल टक्करा मारेगा। तो आइडियल गैस च आपां मान लिया सी कि उन्हां दे आसे पासे कुछ भी नहीं है और वो आपदे फुल प्रैशर नाल कंध नाल टक्करा मारनगे। बट अगर अपने कोले कोई अपना फ्रेंड सर्कल या रिलेटिव्स अपने नाल है जिन्हां नाल अपना जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो स्ट्रोंग है, तो तुहानूं उन्ने प्रैशर नाल कंध नाल टक्कर नहीं ना मारन देणगे। दे विल पुल यू टूवर्ड इटसेल्फ और देयर सेल्स। वो की करनगे, तुहानूं अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करन दी कोशिश करनगे। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ कि ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲ ਵਾਲ ਤੇ ਕੱਲਾ ਸਟ੍ਰਾਈਕ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਕੰਧ ਨਾਲ ਟੱਕਰਾ ਮਾਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੁਣ ਓਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲੋਕ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਰਫ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਗੇ, ਖਿੱਚਣਗੇ। ਸਮਝ ਗਏ? तो ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਦ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਇਹ ਪੇਪਰ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿ ਫਲਾਨਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕੰਧ ਨਾਲ ਟੱਕਰਾ ਮਾਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰੋਕਿਆ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਵਿਲ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੇਅਰ there is some word inward pull of the molecule on the molecule that is going to strike on the walls of the container due to the forces of attractions between the molecules. Attraction between the molecules. राइट, आप इतने कोई रिलेशन की गल नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है? तो ये अपने कोले की होएगा बेटी, जिहड़ा करैक्टेड प्रैशर अपने कोले होएगा, जिहदी आपां वैल्यू इत्थे पुट करनी है, तो करैक्टेड प्रैशर विल बी इक्वल टू पहला वाला प्रैशर दैट इज ड्यू टू द स्ट्राइकिंगनेस ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ कंटेनर प्लस स्मॉल p that is actually the pressure lost by the molecule due to forces of attractions, that is pressure lost। ठीक है, कई बुक्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ, that is p real is equal to p ideal is equal to p real प्लस स्मॉल p। ठीक है, तो एक ही चीज़ है अपने कोले। तो आइडियल प्रेशर की होएगा, एक्चुअली जो रियल प्रेशर है p रियल है वो की होएगा आइडियल प्रेशर दे नालों घट होएगा, क्योंकि पहला तो कल्ला इंसान जिहड़ा है या मॉलिक्यूल है वो कंध ते टक्करा मार रहा है, बट हुण ओहदा प्रेशर है जिहड़ा उन्ना नहीं होएगा। सो दैट विल बी एक्चुअली इक्वल टू p रियल विल बी इक्वल टू p आइडियल माइनस p। ठीक है, अगर ये चीज़ तुहानूं समझ विच नहीं आ रही है तो लीव इट, ये कई NCERT बुक्स दे विच दिता होया है। तो p रियल इज इक्वल टू p आइडियल माइनस p, ये वही चीज़ है बेटे। ठीक है, तो pressure और corrected pressure will be equal to the pressure exerted on the walls of container plus small p, यानी कि pressure lost by the molecule that is going to strike on the walls of container due to the forces of attractions or inward pull, right? So what is the value of this small p? What is the value of this small p? Actually this small p will depend upon the volume or inversely proportional to volume. Why so? Because we know very well बेटे pressure is directly proportional to density। जितना मॉलिक्यूल थोड़ा हैवी होएगा वो थोड़ा उन्नी ज़्यादा प्रेशर दे नाल जिहड़ा है वो प्रेशर लगाएगा और उन्ना ज़्यादा थोड़ा प्रेशर होएगा। ठीक है, जिन्ना हैवी होएगा उन्ना ज़्यादा वो प्रेशर नाल स्ट्राइक करेगा। हुण जिहड़ी डेंसिटी है बेटे वो आपां नूं पता है कादे बराबर हुंदी है, मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम दे बराबर हुंदी है। मास तां आपां चेंज नहीं ना कीता, मास तां अपने कोल गैशियस मॉलिक्यूल्स दा उन्ना ही रहेगा। तो इट मीन्स प्रेशर विल बी इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वॉल्यूम। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इट, राइट, इन आइडियल गैसेस कि अगर आप वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करांगे तो प्रेशर डिक्रीज करेगा। उत्थे भी आप यही चीज़ पढ़ी सी, प्रेशर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वॉल्यूम। नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेशर्स नाउ, राइट, टू टाइप्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आर गोइंग टू स्ट्राइक। So first one is First one is here, I'm going to write it A. First one is actually the number of molecules or gaseous molecules that are pulling the striking molecule inward, that are pulling the molecule, striking molecule inwards. ओके, सो इट मीनस ये तो अपने को फर्स्ट डेंसिटी हो गया, ओ वाले मॉलिक्यूल्स था जो कि उस स्ट्राइकिंग मॉलिक्यूल को अपनी तरफ की कर रहे हैं, इनवर्ड पुल कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड इज एक्चुअली द नंबर ऑफ द गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल्स which are striking the walls of the container per unit area and per unit second or per seconds, right? So it means this corrected or pressure loss will be actually inversely proportional to V square. First one is number of molecules that are pulling the molecule inward, and second one is the number of molecules which are striking the walls of the container per unit area per second. Okay, so that is P is inversely proportional to V square, right? Now if we're talking about the n number of molecules, then P will be inversely proportional to n upon V, yani कि n square upon V square. There are two types of number of molecules, right? So to remove this proportionality sign, van der Waals explain it as P is equal to an square upon V square. So what is this A? That is actually van der Waals constant, which describes or gives a indication about forces of attractions, which depends upon the forces of attractions. Because जितना ज़्यादा forces of attractions होंगे, उतना जो pressure है walls के container के ऊपर उतना की होएगा, less होएगा, right? So that is van der Waals constant that depend upon the forces of attractions, and its units are actually atmosphere liter square per mole square. Atmosphere liter square per mole square. That can be asked in your subjective examinations, even in objective examination. So atmosphere, that is pressure units, liter square per mole square, because P is equal to an square upon V square. So A will become equal to PV square upon n square. What are the units of pressure? What are the units of pressure? Atmosphere or bars. ठीक है. What are the units of volume? That is liter. तो square है, square हो गया. Number of moles, that is mole square. So it will become atmosphere liter square per mole square, right? Next we will talk about the correction in the volume term.